Hey everyone, welcome to Yoga with Maria. I'm Maria and today we're practicing chair yoga. There's a lot of ways to practice with the chair, but today we're going to be seated in the chair for the entire practice. So make sure that you have a chair that's stable and that you can press your feet down into either the floor or something else if you need a bench or a little stool to press the feet into, even when you scoot to the front edge of the chair. Grab those things, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Let's get started. All right, yogis, so come to sit in your chair if you're not there already, and you'll just move yourself to the front edge as much as you can so that you can place the feet down onto the floor so that they're easily and firmly grounded and pressing down into the floor. If you need to put a little stool or a bench underneath your feet, all good. Blocks can work well for that too. Take the hands to the lap, let the eyes close, sit up tall. Reach the crown of the head up towards the ceiling and just begin to tune into your breath. Allow yourself to arrive into this mental space, just preparing the mind and the body to move with intention and with meaning, with clarity, and with some compassion. So just being open and easy on ourselves if the body feels tight or it's not functioning or doing the things that we want it to do or the way that we want our bodies to do them. And just knowing that our bodies are so highly intelligent and they have their own unique process that is always working for us. Take one more breath where you are. In and out. Slowly open the eyes. And then breathe in, stay where you are. Breathe out, take the right ear to the right shoulder. Inhale, lift the head back up. Exhale, left ear comes to left shoulder. Twice more on each side, come to center, breathe in. Breathe out, let the ear drop. Breathe in, come back to center. Breathe out, take the other side. Inhale, come back to center, and then one more each side. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in, come back to center. Breathe out, take the chin to the chest, let the back of the neck get long. Inhale, take the gaze up, look up. Exhale, tuck the chin. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. Come back to center. You stay where you are. I'm just going to turn to the side so you can see this. We're just going to take cat-cows in the chair. So breathe in, the hands will slide in towards you, chest lifts, the upper arm bones externally rotate so that the chest gets broader, the shoulders, the fronts of the shoulders move away from one another, and the shoulder blades come closer together on the back. Look up, lift the chin. On the exhale, hands slide towards the tips of the knees, round the spine, tuck the chin, let the back of the neck be long. Twice more like this. Breathe in, chest lifts, look up. Breathe out, round the spine, take the hands towards the knees. Once more here, breathing in, lift the chest, look up. Breathe out, round. Come back to center. I'm going to face you once again. Feet press down and then reach the arms up. And then take the right hand, catch the left wrist, lift the arms a little bit higher, wiggle the waist long, and then reach the hands over towards the right. Maybe the gaze even looks over to the left. Think about lifting up and over as if you had a big beach ball at the right side of your body that you were lifting up and over. Good. Come back to center. Left wrist grabs right wrist. Left hand grabs right wrist. Lift up. Wiggle the sides of the waist long. And then reach over to the left. Gaze might go over towards the right. Keep lifting up. And then come back to center. Hands pull down through the center of the body. Breathe in, lift the chest up, and then breathe out. You're going to fold forward a little bit and hook the left elbow outside the right knee. So heel toe the feet together so that the inner legs are touching as much as they can. And then hook the elbow outside the knee and then press into the hands to turn the torso and the chest open to the right. The gaze can just turn to the side, or you can take it all the way up to the ceiling. If it feels good to make some space here to expand, you can expand the arms. Keep pressing knees together. Take one more breath in and out. Come back to center, hands touch first and then unwind. Breathe in, same thing here, find a little length on the sides of the body. We're just gonna take the other side. So twist over to the left, fold forward a bit and hook the right elbow outside the left knee. Inner thighs squeeze towards one another and then use the hands, press into them to turn the chest over to the left. Same thing with the head. You can look to the side or all the way up to the ceiling. If you have any tension or tightness in the neck, I recommend just keeping the gaze to the side. And then same thing here. If you want to find some space and expand the body, you can separate the hands. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Hands come back together. Come back to center. From here, take the hands to the outer edges of your chair, or if you have arm rest, you can take the hands there. And then breathe in, just lift up the feet. Use the low belly a bit here. Just extend the legs long. Breathe out, point the toes. Inhale, flex the feet. Exhale, lower the feet to the mat. Twice more like this. Breathe in, lift the legs. Breathe out, point the toes. Inhale, flex the feet. Exhale, feet come to the floor. Once more, breathe in, lift the feet. Exhale, point the toes. Breathe in, flex. Breathe out, feet to the mat. From here, take the hands to the knees. You're just gonna separate the feet a little bit more. Really, any amount. So this might be enough for some of us. Some of us might wanna go a little bit wider. And then you'll begin to lean the torso forward a bit so that you're pressing into the knees. And then take the hands slightly to the insides of the knees and then just dip the right shoulder down. This should be opening up the inner seams of the legs. Then come back to center and dip the left shoulder down. Kind of continuing with this twisting of the torso that might feel really nice and uplifting. So you can just take the right shoulder and then the left shoulder. We'll do one more on each side. And then the last one on the left side. So nice. Then come back to center. Use the hands to shimmy the legs back together. Then from here, the right ankle, you'll lift the right knee and just cross the left ankle, lift the right knee, cross the right ankle over the left knee. So you've kind of got a figure 4 in the legs. And then make sure you're flexing that right foot. This might be plenty for a lot of us. Right hand will come to the right knee, or it'll be the inner edge of the right knee that's facing up. Left hand will come to the right ankle. And then you'll just hold on to both of those places, and maybe the right hand presses the right knee further down towards the floor. Stay with this and breathe. You might even lean the chest forward, and that will intensify this stretch in the outer right hip. Take 3 more breaths here, in and out. Send breath to where there's tension. Breathing in, breathing out. Again, inhale. Exhale. If you're folded forward, come back up. Use the hands and the strength of the arms to lift the knee and unhook the ankle. Taking the same thing on the other side. So hug the left knee in towards the chest and then cross the left ankle over the right knee. Really flex that foot a lot. And then from here, right hand comes to the left ankle, left hand comes to the inner edge of the left knee. Press down a little bit more into the left hand where the knee is. Breathe, evaluate. If you want a little bit more, you can take the chest forward and that will intensify the stretch or the opening that you get in the outer left hip. You're doing great. Take 3 more breaths where you are. Breathe deeply in and out. Try to relax the shoulders down away from the ears. See if you can relax the face, spread the skin of the forehead wider, unfurrowing the brow. Unclench your jaw. See if anything else in the body unclenches at the same time. One more. And then lift yourself up if you're folded forward. Use the arms and the hands to lift the knee and release. One more thing here. Breathe in, reach the arms up. Breathe out, just fold forward over the legs if this is accessible. Hands can just hang heavy by the feet. Let the head fall heavy. Feel the belly on the thighs. Take 3 more cycles of breath here. Really try to let the head be heavy. And same thing, let the jaw unclench, let the back of the neck relax. There's no holding in the neck at all. One more in. And out. Slowly roll yourself back up to a seat. Hands come to the tops of the lap, or the tops of the thighs. Crown of the head reaches up towards the ceiling. Let the eyes soften and close. Just find one more moment here to experience the spaciousness that we've created in the body. A little bit of relief, perhaps. Just remembering how you feel, just noticing how you feel now compared to when you first hit play on this video. Take the hands to touch in front of the heart, lift the sternum into the thumbs, put a little tuck in the chin, and just have gratitude for yourself first and foremost for taking time to do something good for your body. Deepest namaste, yogis. Really nice work finding some seated movement here. The perfect complement to this is just a little bit of seated quiet time and contemplation. So check out my meditation for positive energy. Enjoy.